Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since we've done a video, but this one here is going to be a install video on the 2019 Ultra Classic. And for today, one of these days, we have a install for the wife's 2017 Indian, and that's what she rides. And that there hasn't had very much modifications, hadn't had any really, but it's getting an upgrade on it. But today we're going to do something pretty simple. It's going to be an easy video. We're going to put some custom dynamics LED turn signals in to be a lot brighter than what's already in it. This is about as simple as you can get. They pop in, pop out, go in right replacement of the incandescent bulb. So we'll get that done and show you how they are. Alright, in your lens there's a little slot, usually on the bottom so water don't get in it. Let me get down here. Anyway, take a little screwdriver, pop your lens out. That's about as easy as that is. Then you got your bulb in there. You turn, twist, quarter turn, pulls right out. So that's what your bulb is, just a clear bulb with the amber lens on it. We're going to put in these Custom Dynamics Pro Beam. We bought these. These are not been given to us. I was up at Harley when getting the tires put on. I bought them up there at Harley. So I did purchase these, so nobody gave them to us. And when I do a review on them, be an honest review. So then we get the first one out. Come out of the package. They got instructions in it, but this is pretty simple, straightforward. These will have halos in them, and they'll match the bike, what I have going on with the light. So we'll go ahead and pop this one in. And it's got a screwdriver slot in there. Just pop it in, quarter turn it. Make sure your wire gets put inside. Back behind it. Then this one here will have a slot in the bottom. We'll make sure it gets on the bottom. Pops it in. Just like that. That easy. So now I'm going to turn the bike on so you can see the difference in the two. And I'm going to flip the light off so you can see it more in the dark. But that's a lot brighter on your left side than it is the right. So we're going to go ahead and turn the lights back on, and I'll get the other one put in. Okay, turn the bike back off. We're going to replicate the other side, find the slot, pull that out, take your bulb, quarter turn, pretty simple. Like I said, this is about the simplest thing you could probably do. Get the other one, take it out, get this in, plug and play, makes it real nice and easy. Don't need no fancy tools. Put in there, help you put it in the right way. Quarter turn, make sure your wire gets in behind your light. That's the hardest part. Just like that. There's a slot in the bottom of this one. Ooh, about dropped it. Uh-oh. Let's put the seal back on it. Alright, we're going to get this pushed up on there. Take it. Pop it on there. It's in. It's good. So that's what they look like with them off. And I think it's going to make it look a lot better. There's with the lights on. Let's turn the lights off on this. make it look a lot better. We're gonna go ahead and we'll turn the hazards on. They turn yellow once you get them on. Blinkers on. And you'll have your right side, your left side. So they all turn good. So you sometimes on these LEDs, this in here didn't flash real fast. So we're going to turn the hazards on. We'll let them synchronize and all that. I think this in here is pretty good. Because they don't fast flash. So I think we're all good on this. Then turn it back on. Turn them off. Like I said, the yellow's on your when you hit the turn signal, so they come on, and it'll be white when you're running. So I think that'll help cars see you better. These do have halos in them that kind of match my headlights that I got going on with it, and they should be do pretty good. All right, let's turn the lights back on. But that's a good, easy way. I did buy these, and it's the last one they had in stock. I really didn't need the back two because my bike does not have that. So if I catch somebody out and about and they can use them, I'll probably, if I have them on me, just hand them to them, let them have them, because like I said, I'm not going to use them because my bike does not have the two, it has a single light instead of the dual. So, but anyway, that's what this is going to be about today. And if you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel, please. Give us a thumbs up. Ring the notification bell because there's more videos coming. And keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up.